components of partnership account. Let's now go into components of partnership account. So guys, when we are talking about the components of capital account, it has a whole lot of items under it. So I'm going to take them one after the other. The first component of partnership account is capital account. When we are talking about capital account, each partner has a kind of separate capital account which reflects their initial investment in the partnership and additional contributions and their share of profits or losses. Capital accounts are used to determine each partner's ownership interest in the partnership. There are some stuff under it also. The first one is opening capital balance. When we are talking about opening capital balance, the initial contribution made by each partner when the partnership is formed is what we refer to as the opening capital balance. Second item under it is also additional contributions. Any additional investment made by partners during the partnership existence is what this entails. The third one is the share of profit. When we are talking about the share of profit, this is the portion of the individual partnership profit in the process of their endeavors. Fourth one under it is also share of losses. In case if there's any losses, the partner's portion of the partnership losses must occur too. They have to share the losses equally. And the fifth one under it is also withdrawals or draws. This talks about any money or assets withdrawn by a partner for personal use, which reduces their capital account. Let me go to the second account, which talks about current accounts. Current accounts are temporary accounts that tracks each partner's share of current year profits or losses. These accounts are used to allocate annual profits or losses among the partners. Under this one too, there are some little items under it which I'm going to explain now. The first item is share of current year's profits. When we are talking about the share of current year's profits, this reflects the partner's portion of the partnership's profits for the current accounting year. The second item under it is also share of current year's losses. Just like this opposite of the other one, this reflects the partnership portion of the partnership losses for the current accounting period. Let me now go to the third account, which talks about drawing accounts. Drawings account tracks withdrawals made by partners for personal use, and these withdrawals are typically deducted from the partner's capital account. The fourth one is the interest on capital. Partners may agree to pay or receive interest on their capital contributions, and this kind of interest is calculated and recorded in interest on capital account. The fifth one is the loan account. Let's say if partner lends money to a partnership, separate loan accounts may be maintained to track the amount that was borrowed, repayment, and kind of interest. And the sixth one is the profit or loss appropriation account. When we are talking about profit or loss appropriation account, this account summarizes the allocation of profit and losses among the partners. It records the contribution of profit after considering interest on capital, salary, if there is any, and other agreed kind of allocations